Hey, friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the world's largest aeroplane. So let's start. Stratolaunch is the name of this world's largest aeroplane. This aircraft has a wingspan longer than a football field. 385 feet. You can see its large wings. In this pic, it has 6 engines and 28 wheels. This aeroplane is used to transport rockets carrying satellites into the upper atmosphere of Earth. I have its traveling map which can clear how this plane launches satellites. It's really amazing. Do you know, late co-founder of Microsoft, Paul Allen founded Stratolaunch in year 2011. And its cost is $400 million. So friends, I found these amazing things about Stratolaunch, world's largest aeroplane. Thank you friends.